Meet the MageGee 75% mechanical gaming keyboard in sleek black and gray. The perfect blend of compact design and full functionality that's about to transform your gaming and typing experience. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a productivity enthusiast, this keyboard delivers everything you need in a space-saving package. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning black and gray colorway that looks professional in any setup. The 75% layout strikes the perfect balance. You keep all your essential keys, including function row and arrow keys, while saving valuable desk space. The build quality is immediately apparent with its solid construction and premium feel that won't flex or bend during intense gaming sessions. What sets this keyboard apart are the mechanical switches that provide that satisfying tactile feedback every keystroke. Each key press delivers consistent actuation with excellent responsiveness. Crucial for gaming where every millisecond matters. The switches are rated for millions of keystrokes, ensuring this keyboard will be your reliable companion for years to come. For gamers, the MageGee 75% doesn't disappoint. Anti-ghosting technology ensures every key press registers accurately, even during the most frantic gaming moments. The compact layout means your mouse has more room to maneuver, giving you that competitive edge. The durable keycaps can withstand hours of intense gaming without showing wear. But this isn't just a gaming keyboard. The comfortable typing experience makes it perfect for work, coding, or writing. The 75% layout provides all the functionality of a full-size keyboard, while fitting perfectly on smaller desks or in minimalist setups. The professional black and gray aesthetic works seamlessly in both gaming battle stations and office environments. What makes the MageGee 75% truly impressive is the value it delivers. You're getting premium mechanical keyboard performance without the premium price tag. The compact design saves desk space, the build quality ensures longevity, and the versatile layout adapts to any use case. It's plug-and-play compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. The MageGee 75% mechanical gaming keyboard in black and gray proves that you don't need to compromise on quality or features when choosing a compact keyboard. With its excellent build quality, responsive mechanical switches, and versatile design, it's ready to elevate your setup whether you're gaming, working, or creating. Experience the perfect balance of form, function, and value. Your fingers will thank you.